blind line. This one's a blast. All right? You get 2 improvisers. You get an audience suggestion. Again, give them a relationship or throw out an occupation, and they begin their scene. But here's the catch with blind line. Before the scene has begun, either audience members or other improvisers have written lines of dialogue on little slips of paper. And the improvisers don't know what's on these slips of paper, but they put them in their pocket, and during the scene, as it's progressing, they randomly reach in their pocket and they have to deliver whatever line's on there. And they have to justify that line within the scene as if it was meant to be said. Enjoy this one.
Your eggs are runny. Your hash browns are burnt. It's so they don't get mushy when they rub up against your runny eggs. Except for my kid being born. This is the greatest day of my life. It's actually mine too. Who would have thought we'd be serving breakfast to the President of the United States? I guess that's why I'm so tense. I'm sorry. If I can change, and you can change, everybody can change. You know what? Who cares if the president doesn't like his eggs or his hash browns? Our relationship is more important. I love you. I must break you.